Hey everyone, my name is Akshay and you're watching Tech Finder. So today we are going to do the unboxing and review of one more earbud. So here we are having earbuds from a company known as Leaf. So we are going to do the unboxing and review of these earbuds and we'll let you know whether these earbuds are best in their budget range or not. Also these earbuds are a little bit different from the normal earbuds. So these earbuds are having bigger battery life, comfortable ear hooks to fit perfectly into your ears. Also there's one more thing which I like pretty much in these earbuds, and I think every earbud company should include that into their box. Stick to the end of the video to know what that is. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here comes our box, and these earbuds are Leaf Pods True Wireless. So when we talk about the specification, these are sport friendly, ergonomic design, hand-free mic is there, stereo sound, rechargeable up to 4 times, which is pretty great, and also voice assistant, so you can call your favorite voice assistant, whether it's a Siri, Google or Bixby. So it's time to unbox these earbuds and find out more about its contents. So here comes our Leaf earpods. The case is a little bit bigger than other earbuds which are coming at the same price, but I think this is because it's having a bigger battery, so they have increased the size of the case. But yeah, it's ergonomic in design, oval in shape, so it can easily fit in your pocket. Now keeping them aside, and let's find out what we are having in the box. So here comes an extra pair of earbuds to fit perfectly, and also we are having a warranty registration card. So let me know why you love your Leaf Pods in the comment section below. And this is the micro USB cable for charging. It's pretty small. Well, you can use your regular charger, and this one is for charging through a laptop. And apart from that, we are having this user manual guide. It's highly recommended to read this for once so that you will get the full functionality of these earbuds. You can even carry this single monoport charger, and it does the pretty much same job with this ear pod charger is doing. So what is the benefit of having this monoport charger is that suppose you forget your charger or you lost your charger, still these earpods will be useful to you. And what you can do is that you can now you can plug it into your laptop and they will charge. So even if you lose this earpod charger, you can pretty much charge your earbuds by using this monopod charger. But the drawback is that you can charge only single. Still, this is good accessory to have, and I would recommend all the manufacturer to include this type of monopod charger. So even if you lose your earpod charger, it doesn't make your earbuds useless. So this is all in the box, and let's talk more about these earpods, keeping this thing aside. So the earbud charging case and the earbuds weighs around 60 gram, which is not much I think, and with this they give you a battery life of more than a day, which is pretty great. So this is a little bit bulky or heavy than other earbuds which weigh around 35 to 40 gram. So for the weight you're trading off bigger battery life, which is pretty great. So on a single charge this will last around for 28 to 30 hours. So for 12 or 13 gram you're getting around 8 hours of battery life. So now let's do sound and battery test of these earbuds. For pairing, what you need to do is that you need to turn on these earbuds. If they are not turned on automatically, just press and hold for 5 seconds both of these earbuds and they will pair by themselves. So they will be blinking blue and white, which means that they are ready to pair. So what you need to do is that you need to turn the Bluetooth onto your phone and search for Leaf Pods. Here they are, and boom, they will take around 3 to 5 seconds for pairing. Let's try the play and pause functionality. So the play and pause functionality works great. Just do a single tap for play and pause. So in this case the master one is the left one, and unlike the most of the earbuds are having right earbuds as the master and the left as a slave, so here they have reversed it. So if you want to go to the next track, you need to just triple press and you will find that in the next track. For moving to the previous track, just triple tap the left earbud and you will be in the previous track. For increasing or decreasing the volume, you need to double press on each of them for increasing as well as decreasing. Apart from that, if you want to call your voice assistant, just press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds and you will find that your voice assistant will appear. Hey Bixby, how it's going? And even the microphone is pretty responsive. Let me try it once again. What is the current weather? And boom, here it is. And once you are done with your music listening, just go and put them back onto your pods. Find the charging indicator as well as the percentage of battery left into your charging pods. So here you can see here that it's all blinking, so this is 100%, and if you don't want to charge them, just press the button and they will be not charging. But now the problem is that they will be in the pairing mode and they would have definitely paired with my earbuds. So now when you play the music or something, it will be directly played into these earbuds. To stop doing this, what you need to do is that you need to turn them off. Just press and hold it for 5 to 7 seconds and they will be turned off. Boom, here it is. So now these earbuds are not charging, and this charger take around 1.5 to 2 hours to charge completely, as well as these earbuds take around 1.5 hours to charge completely from 0 to 100. So now let's talk more about the sound quality and fitting of these earbuds. So they fit perfectly in your ear canals and they have these fin tips, so they adjust very well into your ears and you will feel there is no weight on your ears. You can even use these earbuds in gym because these will not fall. So if you only want the deep bass, then I think these earbuds are not for you. Apart from that, if you want crystal clear sound and decent bass, then these earbuds are for you. And also while testing, I found that the noise cancellation is pretty good and even the microphone works pretty great. When we talk about the battery life, they last around 6 to 7 hours on a single charge, which means a lot. So if you want to buy these earbuds, the best buy links for these earbuds will be in the description. And also as always, there will be a 20% discount coupon code just for you. So if you want to enjoy this coupon code, go and check it out in the description. I hope you like the content, and if it was helpful to you, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get latest video notification before anyone else. Thank you for watching, have a nice day and catch you in the next video.